Welcome to the lesson. The reason why we're getting data into the Microsoft Query Editor is to clean the data and prepare it for loading back into the main Excel window, so we can present as reports, or we can use it as a base data table for creation of charts or other documents that you wish to create. So one of the things, the most common things you will be doing is you'll be editing and removing the columns in a data set. So in this video, let me show you how you can remove the columns. So you have options here to remove columns, or you can simply choose the columns. If you click choose columns here, you can simply select. For example, I will just select the stock and then the stock description and the price and then the unit of measure, and I can just select 3 months: March, May and August, just to show data for this. When I click OK, what happens? I will get only these columns. The rest of the columns will not be shown when you load back onto the main Excel window. So that's one way of doing it. Now there's another way of doing it. You can simply remove columns. Okay, you can just simply remove columns, and let's say I would want to remove the columns doing the same procedure as I've just done earlier. So I'm gonna just keep the stock description, the price, the unit of measure, the quantity. I'll just take off, I'll leave the pack unit. Now I select this column here, I'll remove it. You select it, you right click remove. Either that, or you can select the column and come to this icon, click on it and then click remove columns. Okay, and then you can select the column and remove it simply by doing that. Okay, so I keep removing it. Alright, now after you remove the columns which you do not want, you will see only the columns which you would like to retain, and with these columns you can load it back into the main Excel window. So when you click close and load on this tab here, see the icon, you click close and load here, it will load into the main Excel window, and you will have only the columns you desire to keep. Alright, now you can also select the columns you wish to retain. For example, I will just select price only or stock description only and remove every other column. You click on this and remove other columns. It keeps only this column that I have selected. Okay, so that's another option. Now there's still another option for you to edit this. If you look at the columns, you can look at the formula bar. You will see it has recorded the columns which you wish to remove. So the columns I have removed the stock, year, and then the months February, April and June, but I would want to remove January as well. So you just copy that formula. Now you can just follow the syntax, put in a comma. Okay, let me just copy this. You can either type it in or you can just copy it. So I'm just typing it in. And there you go. So if I click at the end of that formula and I press enter, that column is gone in the main window there, and there you will have the data ready. You can repeat that for the other columns. Just type in the name, follow the syntax, put the open quotations, and fit in the column name in the middle. Okay, so once you're done, you simply click close and load, and the data gets into the main Excel window. That is it. Only the columns I require are reported out here. So that is it. I hope you have got this well. If you have any questions, further questions to this, please comment below. Like and subscribe so you can get other content that I will present in the future videos. Thank you.